Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here is it. I'm going to talk about the analysis for 8th of April evening shift JEE Mains session 2 April attempt 2026. The last shift of this particular year for JEE Mains. Well dear ones, what the students have to say about this particular shift. They are saying that the overall paper was moderate to tough. Math was lengthy, but it was doable. Overall difficulty level subject wise, it is mathematics, then chemistry, and then physics. But yes, this was easier than January all the shifts. There were 7 to 8 questions of chemistry that were statement based. And if I talk about for chemistry, it was inorganic having the higher weightage, followed by physical chemistry and then organic chemistry. In mathematics, what we have got one question each from sequence and series, permutations, and calculus. There were 3 questions from vector 3D. Okay, so overall difficulty, as I told you, it was mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Talking about mathematics again, as I said, there were 3 questions from vector algebra and 3D geometry. There were 4 questions from conic section, 2 questions from matrices, 3 questions from integral calculus. Okay. 1 question from probability and 1 question from differential equation, 1 question from binomial theorem. Fine. If I now just talk about for physics, students are saying that the physics was easy compared to the January 2026 shifts. Most students were able to complete the section within 50 to 55 minutes. Okay, physics was overall easier in comparison to mathematics and chemistry, and it was high scoring for the students. Okay, the questions were asked from unit and dimensions. There were 2 questions. अभी हमें यही पता चला है. So this is what I literally want to talk about. But yes, chemistry के लिए यही कहा जा रहा है कि statement based questions थे from inorganic chemistry. It was bit trickier. वेटेज जैसा कि मैंने बताया इनऑर्गेनिक, फिजिकल एंड ऑर्गेनिक. अच्छा हाँ, क्वेश्चंस आ गए हमारे पास में. फिजिक्स के कहाँ से क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे. देयर वर 2 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम यूनिट एंड डायमेंशंस, 2 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम रे ऑप्टिक्स, 1 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, 2 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम मॉडर्न फिजिक्स, 1 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, 1 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम काइनेमेटिक्स एंड 1 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स. सो गाइज, दिस इज द ओवरऑल एनालिसिस जो अभी इनिशियली फेज में मैंने आपको बताया. वेल ऑथेंटिक और पूरा डेप्थ में जाके आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द analysis of evening shift in my live session sharply at 6:30 p.m. So don't forget to join me in the live session that is going to take place on BTech 360 channel. So join me there. Bye bye and take care.